Hi everyone. This is hopefully a short introductory video to the stuff that's available in various places. This is of course on YouTube here in the Jim Dean for Jesus channel, but there also are other Facebook and Logos places you can go. So I just wanted to make a quick video to give you my contact information, which is Jim Dean at hvacsage@yahoo.com. I don't want to post my phone number here on a public video, but if you text me your phone number, I will text you mine. I'm happy to chat anytime about the Bible, answer questions. Really appreciate the opportunity for ministry and for sharing. Anyhow, if you would like to make use of and download or view any of the podcasts that I've created, some of them are instructional how-to things, some of them are daily postings of going through the Bible one chapter at a time in the Net Bible. Some are weekly meetings doing topical studies with a small group where we use these different marking methods and so forth. Anyhow, they're all available in this general podcast channel. And then if you are a Logos user, Logos is a paid, it's not free. Most all this stuff that I talk about is free, but Logos is a paid program that's just absolutely superb. And if you happen to be a Logos user, you can access the Faith Life group called Jim Dean Study Stuff and download a whole lot of custom templates, including the ones that relate to what I'm sharing right now. Okay, in the various videos that you'll see that use the color marking schemes, I have this little thing here showing in the bottom right-hand corner, bottom left-hand corner, or I don't show this, but you could use this. This is for 10 colors, this is for 27 colors. That information is available now in sort of a bigger format, so you can snapshot it if you want. You can stop this video and take a snapshot, or you can just contact me and I will email you a PDF or PNG snapshots so that you can have them as crib sheets or for using other things too. Now, these color schemes are designed not just for use in Logos, but also for use with your printed Bibles. And I've done a lot of work checking out a lot of different kinds of marking pens and so forth, and I've discussed that in another video that's in this podcast thing. That's the sort of introductory video that's longer about the color methods. Anyhow, the links to buy those marking tools are all right down here, which again, if you contact me, I can send you this so you can click on these things instead of having to type them out. I'm talking real fast right now, but you'll see information about this on the other videos. The zebra sensations are colored mechanical pencils that are perfect for highlighting and underlining. You can buy a 12-pack if you want to use this color scheme here from Amazon at this link. You can buy a 24-pack if you want to use this color scheme at that link. If you're using the 10-color scheme or using the 27-color scheme here, you'll also want to get a hold of the Tick Pen pencil refills for those same barrels. And by the way, if you're going to be doing the 27-color thing, you'll want some extra barrels, and so I just buy both of these. They're both very, very inexpensive. They're like, I don't know, what is it? I think this one's around $8, this is around $15. This thing's around $13, so it's all very cost effective. Again, I talk about this in the other video. And then the other thing, I don't think I mentioned much in the other video, if you want to take notes, write text notes with pencils, this is absolutely the best mechanical pencil out there in my opinion. It's got a very positive advanced mechanism with the little click thing on the side of the barrel, and it's got the longest erasers that I've ever seen on a mechanical pencil. You basically twist the top and the eraser advances. So if you want to get some of those, you can use them for your Bible study or for all kinds of other things, of course. The cheapest way to do this, or most cost-effective way to do this, is to buy a six-pack of 6 Pentel mechanical pencils. They're different colors of barrels, but it's all black lead inside of the barrels. And it comes with refills for the lead and lots of refills for the erasers too. So it's a nice deal. I haven't got the link here, but you can order the erasers separately for refills too if you want. And finally, if you want to use colored text notes using pencils, the most usable, non-friable, non-breakable leads for 0.7 millimeter leads for mechanical pencils are the Pilot Eno set. There are 8 colors there. Of course, 8 plus black is 9. And you can use these these refills in these barrels if you want, but there are 8 colors here, and there's not enough barrels here for all that, and it's sort of overkill, I think. So if you want to use all 8 colors, get the little packet of the barrels, the Pilot Eno barrels, that have some lead in them, but you'll need some refills too for that. So finally, just as a side note, if you're trying to do mechanical pencil text notes to match all of these colors in here, you will need one more color that this doesn't cover, and that's brown. So the way you get the brown is you've got you get one of these sets or whatever. You've got, just take one of those barrels, stick some tick pen brown refills in them, and get a pencil sharpener and sharpen it down real sharp so that it's the equivalent of a 0.7 millimeter pencil. And that way you will have a full set of 10 different colors that you can use with this set of 10 themes here. So anyhow, that's all the information about the marking pens, pencils. I haven't given you links, but if you want to do permanent ink markings, absolutely the best brand and quality to get is Pigma Micron pens. They use archival ink. They don't bleed through the page. They are acid free, so they don't fade with time. And the best place to go to get those pens, and there are a whole bunch of them. They come in all different thicknesses and colors. Best place to go is jetpens.com, jetpens.com. But I'm not really using them or talking about them in these videos, so that's just a little side note. And finally, just to give you a quick taste of what the long video about the color chart is, this is the themes and meanings chart that I can send you a PDF or whatever of if you contact me. It's got 10 major categories down here. You'll see that one of the 10, this one here, is split into 2, but those are themes that you can use this color scheme over here with. And then if you want to use the 27 different colored pencils to mark not only the themes but the 3 categories within each one of the themes, you can use this column over here, and it'll tell you which one of those zebra sensations colored pencils to use. Apologize for going so fast. I'm trying to make this a short video. And of course, if you're using Logos, then all of these 10 colors here, or excuse me, all of these 27 colors here, 9 themes with 3 categories per themes makes 27. They're all available in Logos in the palettes that I've made available through the Faith Life Jim Dean Study Stuff group. So here again is the full picture of the color chart. There's a lot here. So please do, if you're interested in all this, please do contact me for the actual snapshots or PDFs if you need them. And please feel free to watch the 45-minute video that really discusses this in detail, explains how you would apply it, and of course, please join me for the daily and weekly videos we're doing of actually using this for Bible study. Thanks for listening. God bless you all. Bye-bye.